Ben?
Freak off!
Yes?
Come. That's disgusting. My body could do that. Beans, they're good for your heart. Beans, they make you fart. Or in my case, burp.